Hi students, in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve radical equations. So let me get right into it. Let's start with the square root of x equals 11. So I'm hoping you know this answer. The square root of 121 is 11, but how do you show your work to get there? Well, you square each side, because squaring a square root, it effectively cancels it. So I'm left with x equals 11 times 11, which is 121. Okay. Here's another example. Let's say we have n over 5, square root equals 6. So here, again, start by squaring both sides to get rid of the radical. So I have n over 5 equals 6 squared, which is 36, and then wrap and multiply both sides by 5. So let's see, 30, that's 150, and 30, that's 180. How about if we have something like this? Let's say I have the square root of 10 minus 10n plus 1 equals 11. So here, I don't want to square both sides yet. I want to isolate the radical expression. So first I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and I'll be left with that, a lot of 10s. Now, square both sides, and 10 minus 10n equals 100. Subtract the 10, and then divide the negative 10. So, to solve radical equations, you have to be able to square both sides to get rid of the radical. If there are operations outside of the radical, you need to get rid of those first. One last example. Okay, let's say I have this one, negative 4, the square root of x over 6 equals negative 8. Well, here I need to divide by negative 4. And negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1, and those cancel. So then I'm left with the square root of x over 6 equals 2. Now square it. And x over 6 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 6. And x is 24. There you have it. That's how you solve radical equations. Good luck with today's assignment.